Can you describe correctly in Spanish? Use this first video to help you review adjective agreement. Remember that adjectives have to agree in gender and number to the nouns that they describe. When I say agree, that means they have to match the gender and number to the nouns that they're connected to. Remember that all of the adjectives that we learned on our vocabulary list were already in their masculine forms. So we have to first learn to make adjectives feminine. If an adjective ends in the letter O, like the adjective delgado, then we need to change the O to an A to make it feminine. You simply exchange the letters. For adjectives that end in the letter E, like inteligente, it's already in its feminine form. We make no changes whatsoever. We use inteligente to describe masculine nouns and inteligente to describe feminine nouns. We have two exceptions to our rule. The first exception are adjectives that end in ista, and the second exception is the adjective trabajador. Deportista is our only adjective that ends in ista on our vocabulary list. Remember that deportista is already in its masculine form, even though it ends in an A. That means we make no change whatsoever for the feminine nouns. The adjective trabajador is already in its masculine form, but instead of exchanging letters to make it feminine, we add the letter A to make it feminine, trabajadora. We also need to review the rules for making adjectives plural. So, for example, if an adjective ends in the letter O, which is a vowel, to make it plural, we simply add the letter S. This rule applies for any word in Spanish that ends in a vowel, A, E, I, O, or U. For words that end in a consonant like menor, to make it plural, we add ES.